Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background sound or music in Instagram Reels. So for us to do that, we can start by adding a reel or tapping from our story. You can just change that to a reel. And then once you're ready, you can just start tapping that start button and film any random videos on your end. And once you're done, you can just untap it and click next. Now in here, you'll be able to see a lot of options on the upper part of your phone. So just tap this note button next to that arrow one. In here, you can control by tapping controls. So you can control the volume from your camera audio. So you can just scroll it out down until it will be muted and click done. And then next is you add any music that you wish to add, and you can choose where to start from here. And then if you're done, just click done on the upper right corner of your phone. So that's it, and it will immediately decrease or remove your background music or sound from your camera audio. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates.